Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to watch free videos on Amazon Prime Video Freevee. Okay, this is easy. The first step we need to do is find freebie in Amazon page. Okay, it's really easy. Right here you can see we find freebie in Google and we're gonna click the first site right here. Okay, right here we're gonna see all the information about freebie. um we have right here um information about freebie. Okay, the first step you need to do is download the app uh, in Google Play or in the app store, and there you go. You only need to download the app or in streaming media players or your smart TV or on your Amazon Fire TV. And there you go. You only need uh, uh, well, download the app and enjoy to the free content. Okay, it's really easy. Uh, well, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.